Today we will learn Chinese characters.
国
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
国歌乌我国国国家国家你在哪个国家？你在哪个国家？国旗国旗每周一我们升国旗。每周一我们升国旗。出国出国下个月我要出国。下个月我要出国。
Let's learn how to write this character. This character is not easy to write today. Practice it a few more times. This character is a bit complicated. Write slowly and don't rush. The rectangular part outside this character resembles a territory or border, and the part inside stands for treasures and people. So together, this character means a place with borders, treasures and people, which is what we now call a country. Be careful not to write this character as a square. It is somewhat similar to a rectangle. This inner stroke should be a little longer. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.